Nagkita kahapon sina Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte at MNLF Founding Chairman Nur Miswari sa Malacanang. Sa talumpati ng Pangulo, sinabi niyang tinanggap na ni Miswari ang alok ng gobyerno na maging bahagi ng peace talks. Ayon kay Miswari, nagtungo siya sa Malacanang para makipagpulong sa Pangulo na aniyay nirerespeto at pinagkakatiwalaan niya. Ibinahagi rin niya ang kanilang mga karanasan noong rehimeng Marcos. Sinabi rin ni Miswari na suportado niya ang administrasyong Duterte, lalo na sa kampanya nito kontra droga. Ang paglabas ni Miswari o sa publiko ay kasunod ng pagsuspende ng korte sa pagpapatupad ng warrant of arrest kaugnay ng kinakaharap niyang kasong rebelyon na nag-ugat sa Zamboanga Siege noong 2013 kung saan nasa 200 at 40 ang namatay.
There is that pending warrant which is lifted now upon my orders so that we can talk. And I would like to assure Brother Noor, that there is never an intention to deprive you of your liberty. So far as we can remember, when I was Vice Mayor, you were touring Mindanao and I accepted you with open arms, and I said that maybe someday we can finally talk about peace.
Allow me to reiterate my sense of gratitude to the President and my promise that should he need our cooperation in his campaign for peace, you can count on us, Mr. President.